Exponential equations number 2. We have to solve 2 to the 2x minus 1 minus 9 times 2 to the x minus 2 plus 1 equals 0. Now notice there's a 2 to the x term here and a 2 to the 2x term in there. So we're going to use a substitution. I'm going to let u equal 2 to the power x. Now if I square both sides, I get u squared equals 2 to the x squared, right, which becomes 2 to the 2x. And of course, we can break this part up and write that as 2 to the 2x times 2 to the minus 1 minus 9 times 2 to the x times 2 to the minus 2 plus 1 equals 0. Now we can replace this 2 to the 2x with u squared. So we get u squared times 1 over 2 minus 9 times u times 1 over 4 plus 1 equals 0. Now multiplying throughout by 4, we get 2u squared minus 9u plus 4 equals 0. And now we've got a quadratic which we can factorize, and that is 2u minus 1 times u minus 4 equals 0. Therefore, 2u equals 1, u equals a half, and here we've got u minus 4 equals 0, so u equals 4. Replacing the u with 2 to the x, we get 2 to the x equals a half, which is 2 to the negative 1, and we get 2 to the x, which is 4, which is 2 squared. Equating these exponents, we get x equals negative 1 or x is equal to 2. These are the solutions to this exponential equation. Lesson 3, exponential equations number 2. Now we're going to solve 3 to the 2x plus 1 plus 3 to the x plus 2 equals 3 1/3. Now we'll let u equal 3 to the x. So u squared is equal to 3 to the 2x. Replacing this, we'll have that becomes u squared times 3 plus u times 3 squared equals, this will be 10 over 3, isn't it? Yep. Now this becomes 3u squared plus 9u equals 10 over 3. Multiplying throughout by 3, we get 9u squared plus 27u equals 10. And that gives the quadratic 9u squared plus 27u minus 10 equals 0. Now what I'll do here, I'll use the quadratic formula. You could try and factorize, but it's a fairly large one to do. It's all the factors of 10 and 9 here. So I'm going to say my A is equal to 9, my B is 27, and my C is minus 10. So u equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So u is equal to minus 27 plus or minus the square root of b squared, 27 squared, minus 4 times 9 times minus 10 all over 18. And that's minus 27 plus or minus, now this comes to 1089 all over 18, and that becomes minus 27 plus or minus 33 over 18. Now you get the result that u is equal to 1/3 or u is equal to minus 3 1/3. Therefore, 3 to the x equals 3 to the minus 1, or 3 to the x equals minus 3 and a third. Now 3 to the x can never be negative, so won't be a solution. So the only solution here is x is equal to negative 1.